Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 15th, 2023. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the HRRR model. We're going to start off with it first, show you where the severe weather will be kicking up this afternoon. Also, we're going to be taking a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, the watches, warning, and advisories that are in effect. And also the Storm Prediction Center outlook for this weekend, for today, and for your Sunday. Okay. If you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and you're in. You get my daily forecast. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and you don't know how much when you like these videos, how much it gets more and more people to view my weather forecast content and get more subscribers that way as well. Alrighty. Well, let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast now. As you can see, we're starting the triple HRRR model at 2 p.m. According to this, this model here is a little bit faster. According to the radar, the precipitation, it was about it's an hour early. It would be somewhere about right now. Yeah, it's a little hour earlier, but anyway, let's go forward in time. We got some severe weather going on in Louisiana that will continue to move on into southern Alabama, in the Mississippi and Alabama later on this afternoon. Also, this line of shower and thunderstorm will continue to erupt and move to the east. Arkansas, Missouri. You're not under a watch yet, but you will be probably in a watch very, very soon. The watch is looking likely from the Storm Prediction Center, according to their MDS Outlook discussion page. I just looked at it, and it showed that y'all guys will have a watch coming up very, very shortly. Okay, we still got snow flying, mixed precipitation flying over in southern Canada and also a portion of Minnesota. Also, we have some showers, maybe some snow showers trying to develop in Iowa. But anyway, there's some, there goes that nasty line of shower and thunderstorm, continue to move off to the east. This is at 1 a.m. on Sunday morning. As you can see, the precipitation extending from up here in southern Minnesota is snow, and northwest Iowa is snow as well. Rain extending eastern southeast Minnesota back in the northeast Iowa, all the way back down into Louisiana. This is that nasty line of showers and storms continue to march off to the east as we continue to move forward in time. Stopped it at 6 a.m. Sunday morning. That 998 millibar low pressure located over Wisconsin and the Great Lakes region, and snow still flying over Minnesota and also a portion of Iowa. Also, we got showers and thunderstorms still over southeast Iowa as well, in the Illinois, all the way back down into Georgia and all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico. Some shower and thunderstorms over Kentucky and Tennessee as well, and trying to get some fired up here in South Carolina. Look like most of the activity will dry up some during the day as it continues to move east. So one little piece of energy will shoot down into the Gulf. The others will shoot off to the north and east into Canada. And according to the HRRR model, there is a skinny little line that could develop into central South Carolina around 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. But it looks like most of your day on Sunday looking pretty dry right now, but things can change. These models sometimes do not have a good agreement, but I still think there will be some marginal risk of severe weather, like according to the Storm Prediction Center, from Michigan all the way down into Florida on your Sunday, but they will be kind of scattered in nature. Okay, and we still have a bunch of snow flying over a portion of Iowa and Minnesota and also Wisconsin, also over southern Canada as well. Alright, as far as I'm going, let's see. Well, let's continue on out. Let's see, at 2 a.m. Monday morning, The shower and storms exit stage right off the coast. We also have a 988 millibar low over Michigan. The Great Lakes region still producing snow over Wisconsin and also a portion of Illinois and Indiana, and still have shower and thunderstorm activity ongoing into the portions of the Northeast and also off the shore of the coastal waters of South Carolina. And as we get to 8 a.m. Monday morning, all that activity is offshore. Still got that 989 millibar located over Michigan, producing snow from Michigan back into Wisconsin and southern Canada, with rain showers over toward Toronto, Canada, maybe some thunderstorms as well in y'all's vicinity, and also in the portion of New York State. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the radar view. As you can see, we got shower and thunderstorm activity over portion of Pennsylvania, also off in the coastal waters of the Atlantic. This is where the severe weather is kicking up in Louisiana here, moving to the east. Got some offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. That's that little system that's going to drop down and through the Gulf of Mexico. This low pressure system located up here will lift off into Canada, dragging most of the precipitation with it, but it will form a line of shower and thunderstorm just like you've seen on the triple HRRR model. But like I said, you got snow and rain showers flying around up here, falling as well up here over here in Illinois, Kansas as well. Got some snow and rain showers in Colorado. Also, we have some rain showers over here moving into Washington State and Oregon. Guam got a few showers around your vicinity. Alaska looks pretty quiet. Some showers offshore, and Hawaii looks quiet as well. All right, let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories across the lower 48. As you can see, we still got fire weather watches over portions of the Northeast United States. There's that severe weather going on down here in Louisiana and southern Mississippi and southwest Alabama and western Florida. And offshore there with that little system there, they got some severe thunderstorm warnings there. Got some freeze warnings over North Texas and the portions of Kansas. Also got some fire weather red flag warnings over New Mexico and Colorado, southern Colorado that is. Some hydro issues in a few areas there, Colorado, and also over here in Oregon, Idaho, and also over here in a portion of Wisconsin. Got a winter storm watch there as well. Got some flood advisories over northeast Minnesota. Got some flood warnings over a huge real estate of North Dakota, and also some flood advisories also over a portion of Montana. Some flood watches over California and Nevada, and one county under a wind advisory. Alaska looks good, and Hawaii looks good as well. All right, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center. This is for your Saturday outlook. We have a general thunderstorms in the lighter green. Darker green is marginal risk. Enhanced risk is the yellow-orange, and the slight risk is the yellow. Let's see, the enhanced risk, this includes St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri. Slight risk includes Houston, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Mobile, Alabama. And the marginal risk includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Madison, Wisconsin. Let's see. Let's take a look at the tornado probability for today. We have a 2% all the way from Illinois, all the way back down to the Gulf Coast, all the way into Florida. We have a 5% over portion of Arkansas and Missouri, and just southwest portion of Illinois. The 5%, this includes St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, and Little Rock, Arkansas, North Little Rock, Arkansas, that is. Let's see, the 2% is Houston, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Shreveport, Louisiana. Let's take a look at the wind probability. We have 5% from Wisconsin all the way down to Florida and Texas. Have a 15% from all the way from Illinois down to Louisiana. We have a 30% from northern Louisiana through Arkansas and Missouri and southwest Illinois. And the significant severe weather will be St. Louis, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Peters, Missouri, Florissant, Missouri, and Chesterfield, Missouri. The 30%, this includes St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, St. Charles, Missouri, Bossier City, Louisiana. 15%, this is Houston, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Mobile, Alabama. And the 5% includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and with Madison, Wisconsin as well. And let's take a look at the hail probability. We have 5% from Wisconsin all the way down into Florida and Louisiana and Texas. 5% from Illinois all the way back into southeast Texas. Have a 30% over Missouri all the way down into northern Louisiana. And a significant hail threat would be Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, Longview, Texas, St. Charles, Missouri. And the 30% includes Shreveport, Louisiana, all the way to Little Rock, Arkansas. 15% Houston, Texas, through Memphis, Tennessee, to Springfield, Illinois. Also from 5% Chicago, Illinois, all the way to Madison, Wisconsin, including New Orleans, Louisiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin as well. And finally, let's wrap up the video with your Sunday forecast. We had general thunderstorms over portions of Washington State back into Oregon. Also into Oregon, all the way back into portions of southern Canada, including Idaho and portions of Minnesota, Montana. With general thunderstorms all the way from southern Canada down to the Gulf Coast. We have a marginal risk from Michigan all the way down into Florida, into the Florida Keys. And the marginal risk includes Detroit, Michigan, Jacksonville, Florida, Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Cleveland, Ohio. Let's take a look at the tornado probability. It's 5% in all areas. Well, less than 2% in all areas. Excuse me about that. Less than 2% in all areas. 5% in the brown from, let's see, all the way from Michigan down to the Florida Keys. And this includes Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Cleveland, Ohio, Atlanta, Georgia. And the hail probability, 5% from Ohio all the way back into eastern Georgia, including much of South Carolina. This includes Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and Savannah, Georgia. Okay, well that was a mouthful to swallow. But anyway, hope everybody has a great afternoon. I'll be back with another forecast update tonight. I'll go live again so I can interact with more people on YouTube. Love to have everybody. If you have not chatted with me before, consider chatting with me. Love to have you on the chat tonight. I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll catch you back in the next one. Consider subscribing. Like these videos, share these videos, and we will catch you back in the next one.